Sidi Brahim wine. It seemed like a contradiction. I saw it on the shelves from Morocco. Perhaps I shouldn't be too surprised. Wine's pretty much from Persia and the Golden Crescent anyway. Originally. Arabic poets have praised the glories of the grape. I had to look it up. There's about 27 million bottles produced in Morocco. Now, what was that, hectares? Or hectolitres? Anyway, only about 1 million bottles of all those actually leave Morocco. The rest is drunk in Morocco. Please don't jump on the accuracy of this for me, but in the 1950s, when colonialism started falling out of favour, there were 55,000 hectares of French farmers and Moroccan farmers growing grapes. That declined rapidly, but it has started growing again significantly recently. Doubled from like 10 to 20,000. I don't think this says anything about popularity for colonialism again, but I think it does perhaps say that Moroccans have done well out of independence and they've got a little bit more wealth and they're wanting to enjoy it. However, as well as that financial type institutional colonial warfare that we all worry about because it makes all of us poorer, there is a definite expansion of these grapes, these vines, these vineyards, into Tunisia and Algeria, you might not be surprised, and much more recently Ethiopia. The French are spreading their culture. The actor Depardieu, who played that right-wing politician in that series, he's in on the game. So, while it is a very nice tasting wine, I probably won't be having much of it. Very good, affordable price. Slightly ashen red in colour, rather than the vibrant ruby reds that you can get. But somehow, difficult to define, but an amazing taste. You know how it's difficult to pin down exactly how jasmine rice is different to other rices. Is it flavoured? Is it scented? You just notice these perfumed fragrance tones coming through the middle of the line somehow. I just couldn't help not think of the mint perhaps growing in amongst it and the pickers cultivating it so that they can have tea at break time. On the one side of that, it's got the tannins and a little bit of oak, but then under that there's much more fruit and ripeness. It's a mix of sweet, ripe red fruits and the balance of the other. No, it's about 13.5 by volume. It's quite a strong one. In the 1950s, Moroccan wines used to be used to beef up insipid French wines. I don't actually know, I should find out, was this before the appellation rules? Because you couldn't do that now, you can't mix wines from other areas. Perhaps it was done with subterfuge. Perhaps it's still done. Perhaps how some islands in the Caribbean are actually part of metropolitan France, considered at the same legal status as everything within the hexagon. Perhaps there's a plan to eventually get it labelled as product of France. Macron did go off to Lebanon and say we are always here to help you in your hour of need, and Lebanon produces some very good Sidi Brahim wines too. Like and subscribe if you would please.